Hi, everybody. Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you today. So excited to have you all here for week 5. That's right. We're totally toward the end of this course. Just got about a week, maybe 2 weeks left, and that's pretty much it. So we're right there. So really excited to take a look at your outlines and really get your feedback as soon as possible. Just bear with me. I'm going to try and get them back to you by Thursday as best as possible. That way you have the weekend to work with the feedback and everything should be good. Other than that, let's get into it and let's get started. So yeah, this week we're going to talk about ethics. We're going to talk about the last response type and really get into how ethics mean a lot to us as humans and in general, and how it applies to visual communication at the forefront. So let's take a look. So yeah, pretty much this week we're going to talk about ethics overall. What are they? What are the goals behind ethics, and how do people use ethics in their day-to-day lives? We're going to also talk about the different types of unethical responses that could happen from certain visuals, such as visual stereotypes, how they shape perception, digital alteration ethics, and a lot of permission to use images. We'll also talk a lot about different limitations in diversity, and also talk about inappropriate images as well. And how they play a part with a lot of things. But in reality, just in its simplest form, just to let everybody know before we get into lecture tomorrow, at its simplest form, ethics is just a system of moral principles, and it just affects how people make their decisions and lead their day-to-day lives. And overall, ethics is concerned with just what is good for individuals in society and is described as a moral philosophy. It's pretty much what ethics is. It's how we determine what's right and wrong in our own mindset, and how people design visuals can kind of be led based upon how they view ethical situations. And that's really important to look about this and kind of to see how we want people and our own children and everything else to look at things down the road. And that's really important to begin with, right? So yeah, ethical situations are very important. So, all right, sweet. Other than that, that's all I got. So just to give a heads up of what we're going to be running into, just to give you a heads up, lectures at the same time tomorrow at Tuesday, 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central, and you just have your discussion post due as well. Other than that, that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and I can't wait to see y'all for Tuesday for lecture as normal. See everybody then. Have a good one. Bye-bye.